Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. Today I'm showing you how to make these delicious pumpkin cinnamon rolls. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add in 1 cup of warm milk, and that should be at 110 to 115 degree Fahrenheit. Then 1 packet of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of pumpkin puree. Then on low speed, going to mix for a few minutes, then add in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Continue to mix on low speed until the dough comes together, and then turn up the speed to medium for about 8 to 10 minutes. Transfer the dough to a lightly greased bowl and let rise for about an hour or until doubled in size. Once your dough has doubled, gonna punch it down to release the air. Then onto a clean, floured surface, you're gonna roll it out into an evenly 17 by 10 rectangle. Then brush 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Now in a medium bowl, mix together 1½ cups of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Spread that mixture over the butter, and once you have that evenly spread, start to roll the dough. Slice into 12 equal sliced rolls and place into a greased dish. Cover and let rise for about 1 hour until puffed. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Now before baking, pour a 1/4 cup of heavy cream on top and bake in a preheated 350 degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the cinnamon rolls are baking, let's start on the cream cheese frosting by just beating together the softened butter and cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until smooth. Once the cinnamon rolls are done, you want to let cool for about 15 minutes before frosting them. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching.